to Step-by-Step PowerPoint. In this tutorial, we want to learn how to create pamphlet step by step in the easiest way. Don't forget, subscribe our channel and like this video. See the rest of this video. Thank you. For the first step, we need a blank slide. Go to the tab Home, choose New Slide and choose Blank One. In this video, we need a paper that size is A4. So, we go to the tab is Design, Slide Size, Custom Slide Size, and here we choose A4 paper and put it in the landscape and then OK. As you see, I have 3 parts on my page. We need to divide our slide into 3 equal parts. For this, go to the Insert and choose Rectangle and draw it on your slide. In the shape format, change its size. If your size is centimeter, type 9.17 centimeter for its width. Now, copy of these shapes and put it on the other side. You have 3 equal parts. Right-click on your slide, go to the Grid and Guides, choose Add Vertical Guides. Move it to the border of these shapes. Okay, add another one. And add a horizontal guide. Okay, you have 3 parts on your slides, and now we do not need these shapes and we can remove it. Now we want to create these shapes on your sheet. Go to the tab Insert, Shape, select rounded rectangles and draw it, and by these yellow points, change the shape of this rectangle, rounded rectangle. Put it here. Okay, we do not need these parts. For remove these parts, go to the tab Insert, Shape, Rectangle, draw a rectangle. Okay, now select rounded rectangle and then this rectangle. Go to the shape format, merge shape and select subtract. Now you have this new shape. Select on these shapes, remove the outline. I want to put picture on these shapes. Go to the picture and texture field, go to the Insert, and you can add your text from here. It's my picture, but I think it's stretch and it's not good for on these shapes. Select on this, go to the picture format, choose crop and more, and select fill. Now you can move your picture and put it in the position that you want. Now you can select on crop. By using text box on tab Insert, you can add text below your picture, change its size and formats. Okay, for creating this box, go to the tab Insert, Shape, select rounded rectangle and draw it. Now by moving this yellow point, you have completely rounded rectangle. Put picture on these shapes. Go to the shape format, picture and texture, insert. I insert these shapes. Now I want to change. Go to the picture format and choose crop, fill. I move it here and crop it. Okay, you can remove your outline. It's better. Copy of this shape again and change its color. Solid color, this color with this transparency. I think it's good, and put it on your shape. Select both of them. Go to the Align, Align Center, and Align Middle. Okay, For creating these icons, I draw a circle. I'll remove the outline and change its color and copy of this. Download these icons from Google and put it on your circles. You can add text below these shapes. For creating this picture, I duplicate this picture and rotate it. Put it here, go to right click on your picture, format picture, shape format, and here remove this mark. And now I want to insert another picture for this shape. I insert this, go to the picture format, crop, fill, and crop it. For creating this background, go to the tab Insert Shape and choose Triangle. Then send it to back. Change its color. Right click on your shape and format shape, solid fill. I choose this color and now outline. Go to the shape effects and choose inner shadow for this. You can change the size, blur, and distance of this shadow. Go to the glow and select the color. I select this color and change its size and some transparency. Okay. For having a great picture, you can add effect on your picture in this slide. Select them. Go to the picture format, picture effect. We need some shadow. I think this shadow is okay. And for this box, go to the selection pane and choose the picture, not another shape that is on top of your picture. Only your picture. Select on this. Go to the picture format, picture effect, shadow. I change its size and use blur for this. Here you can add some text here. Use text box for writing. Change its size, fonts. Below your topic, you can add your text. Let's see our first slide. Yes, that's great. For creating this slide, add another blank slide. Creating this background, you can add triangle from Insert Shape, rotate it, send it to back, and change its color. Add some effect on your shape. Add some effect on your picture, select them, go to the picture format, picture effect, and choose shadow, inner shadow for these pictures. Write your titles by adding text. For creating these numbers, go to the Insert Shape and choose Circle. Remove the outline, change its color, and write the number. You can copy off this text and paste it. Let's see what's happened to our pamphlet. Go to the slideshow. This is our first slide. And this is our second slide. I'm sure that by your creativity, you can create a great pamphlet for your business, for your job, or anything that you want. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.